Ever been lost in a conversation on Instagram, desperately wanting to reply, but the option just isn't there? Don't let a missing reply feature get in the way of your chats. Today, we're diving deep into how to troubleshoot and get that essential reply option back on Instagram, ensuring you can engage fully in every conversation. First things first, let's check your account settings. While Instagram doesn't have a direct reply feature toggle, ensuring your account is functioning correctly is key. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. On your profile, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens up the menu. Tap on that. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where most of your account configurations reside. Within Settings and Privacy, scroll down and tap on Account Status. This section can alert you to any policy violations that might impact your account's functionality, though it's rare for this to directly disable the reply feature. Now, let's talk crucial updates. Often missing features or bugs are resolved with the latest software. Go back to your main Instagram settings menu. You can actually search for update directly in the search bar at the top. If an update is available, you'll likely see a prompt here, or you'll need to go to your device's App Store. For example, on iOS, open the App Store, search for Instagram, and if there's an update button, tap it. For Android, go to the Google Play Store. Make sure you're running the absolute newest version of the Instagram app. Outdated versions can absolutely cause these kinds of glitches. Once updated, restart your Instagram app and even your phone for good measure. Then head back to your direct messages. You should now see the reply option appear when you long press on a message. If you're still having trouble, try clearing your Instagram app's cache through your phone settings, or even consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Backup any important data first. These steps should get you back to seamless conversations in no time.